You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this super famous star of American rapper. If you want to learn more music celebrity names, including from rap, that are confusing, stay tuned. We've got them all at the end of the video. Let's break it down. Snoop, a long ooh sound, yes, double O. Snoop. Dog. The Americans say it more as dog, okay. British English would be more dog. Snoop Dogg is generally how it's pronounced in the US. Snoop Dogg. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.